Junior, you want some of this Jack Daniels? You do, don't you? Don't get your ass over there and sit down. I knew you been drinking out of my Jack Daniel. Didn't I tell you, get over there with your mama. Stop drinking like you me.
Chega! Vai beber a cerveja toda, mestre? Você vai tomar panelada, Paulo?
Foi tu, Chico, que comeu minha carne que tava na frigideira? A carne, moço, que eu deixei lá na frigideira.
Yo, dude, this is off the hook. Yeah.
Boy. Daddy, my phone mash up and I beg you 100,000 to buy one phone. Hey, move on your subject. It's your phone in this man before me looking at your face. You are an idiot. We are doing 100,000 if go buy phone. Me say you not even come and say, Daddy, me want 100,000 to buy 2 RAM good. Move on, say you look at that dog. You know no sense. You with sense, 5 senses. Hey, move from here, man. Oh, I don't want to lick you down, man. Move, man. You fool! Look here, man. When you come to me with sense. Me not take no 100,000 to buy no phone. See it ya? A 15,000 I me pay for this. And I tell you know how you act me. So what on it? When time you buy your dad the phone you know. So it come with that one room and one bathroom for you. So you can come out of my house. Alright. I go ask mommy. Ask your mother. Hey, look here. Hey, Jesus Christ. Hey, look here. If you ever ask your mother, man, I tear your opinion. Where your mama forget it from? You want Africa sell? I said you want Africa sell. Hey, look here, man. Move! Damn idiot. But 100,000 of your phone. Come to me with sense.
I want to talk.
Go ahead, tell me all about it. Who did it?
Your girlfriend, she won't let me run around the house and all she do is fuss at me all the time. Dog do this, dog got a name. And if she told you she treated me good, no she not. She lied, bro, to live in our house, bro. And I ain't trying to tell on her, but I caught her on the phone talking to another boy, all lovey-dovey, like, oh honey, oh honey. Yeah. You got caught, now you upset.
Cones, what do you see? What's out there? What's out there? What is it? Coney, what is it?
Oh my God.
Hut! Tuman! Kastan na niya kaya lang kastan na! Gaka ka bang kastan na! Pitak na matam!
Papá,
Papá,
mamá,
mamá,
aguacate,
aguacate.
parangaricutirimícuaro.
Soy muy humilde y el ego no he conocido, la humildad es mi camino, siempre ha sido mi bandera. Tengo amistades que respaldan mis acciones y aunque no tengo millones, me paseo por donde quiera.
What's your name? Talk. Him.
No, are you? I am.
Him. I'm telling you, you. When you see me woman apart, don't try them something there now. Me say, you me I deal with. Look at me eye them you. Me company I'm for real. For real something. Him. Yo.
Are you a rude boy? It's me, bro. It's me you're dealing with, bro.
Blessings.
Yeah.
Okay, see, any day I try that with my woman again. Any day, we are married, you know. Me am married. So don't try. Yo. Him. Don't do that.
Rude boy. It's me, bro. You're not listening, bro.
Lessons.
Yeah?
Reason with the youth. I make him know what take place. Me have to come, God, serious. Don't try that. Don't try that. Come on.
Oh, here she comes.
Honey!
Ha ha.